making this felt bird paperclip bookmark felt both my passions. If you love to read or know someone who does, this felt bookmark DIY is just for you. These little birds sit on a paperclip which can be used to hold your place in whatever you are currently reading. Welcome to What is Your Hobby? Hello everyone, and in this video I have shared easy steps and tricks to make felt craft that you can easily make at home. So let's dive into the process.
To make a bird-shaped bookmark, we will need 2 color felt pieces, a paperclip, a hot glue gun, and a pair of scissors. I am using a big paper clip. The bird will be stuck on this part. So let's begin. Draw a bird outline on any one of the color. I am using a white felt for this project. Take the second color for the wings. Now place it over the bird and draw the shape of the wing. The body of the bird should be wide enough to hold the clip. Now cut over the bird outline. Cut some more details on the tail to create the feather-like effect. Check to see if the clip is not showing out from the edges. We will stick a wing over here. Take a different color felt and measure the place for the wing. Draw and cut out the wing. Be sure that the wing does not cover the whole body. The tail looks a little long. I will trim it a bit so that it fits over the book. Take a small yellow piece for a beak. Cut a triangular shape. You can use a googly eye for the bird too, or you can simply cut out a small black circle and place it as the eye. This totally depends on how you like your bookmark to look. Time to glue all the pieces together. Use a hot glue gun to stick the parts one by one. Be very careful while using the hot glue gun as you might hurt yourself. Apply a generous amount of glue over the clip and stick it at the reverse side of the bird. Your felt cloth bird bookmark is now ready to use. Clip this smart bird bookmark in the pages and continue reading the exciting story from where you just left off. Hope you find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to What is Your Hobby?